All right, hello and thank you for watching. We are SSP Subaru specialists here in Rancho Cordova, and we're glad to introduce you to our shop and show you our shop and give you a little tour. And we're gonna start from this department, which is shipping, receiving, and here we go. In front of us, we got all the rims rack where we keep all our rims here. Right on top of it, all our bumpers, front and rear, drive lines, going down the aisle, exhaust, the mid pipe frames, shocks and struts, spindles and the rear spindle knuckles, and also we keep the steerings on top, reinforcement bars, steering wheel assembly, coated glasses, windows, rear door windows, seats and the rear seats, front driver seats, inner fenders, inline fenders, transmissions, continuously variable transmission, fans, engine covers, rear window, back glass, power steering, condenser fan and radiator fan, of course, axles, engines, alternators, more engines, transmission, AC, compressors, some starters, some alternators, the transmission cross members, all the rear ends, and brake caliper. Some rotors here and there, some subframes, of course, here to my left, lower control arms, radiators, heads, upper pipes, mid pipes, and headliners, brake boosters, more fans, intake hoses, heater cores, all our exhaust pipes, the tails, the headers, intake manifold, window actuators, some interior plastics, dome lights, hubcaps, the back seat, the back support, cargo cover, tray, headrest, fuel pumps, evaporator, dashboards as you can see, sun visors, some side mirrors here, driver and the passenger seats, cargo covers, trunk privacy, crossbars, roof rails, engine tray, sunroofs, computers, the motherboard of the car, right? ECU, transmission, the speedometer or the clusters, headlights, tail lights, fog lights, corner lights, leather seats, cloth seats, hoses, AC hoses, power steering hoses, control arms, air boxes, air filter boxes, front grills, intercooler, heat shield, turbos, door panels, tailgate panels, side molding, exterior panels. This is where all the main action happens, where a car comes in, and we'll start, like I said, we'll start taking it apart. The tailgates, the fenders, the door frame rack here, AC unit, hoods, tailgates and hatches, the bumpers on this rack, doors, fenders on top right there, reinforcement bars. I'm hoping that you guys like this this tour. If I missed anything, maybe subscribe, let us know. If you guys have any suggestions, let us know. Our goal is to recycle everything here, and that's how we contribute to our community, to our world, basically. And we're always open to suggestions. Please give us a call if you guys have any question, any concern, any parts that you're looking for. And no matter where in the United States you are, we'll ship it to your door house. Thank you very much, and you guys have an awesome day.